yourself for the madness of road rage encounters. Let's go!
Oh my god!
In a convoy of Japanese sports cars, some drivers chose to ignore traffic signals and run red lights throughout their journey. However, this decision quickly made them regret it. A valet driver was excited to park a Lamborghini Aventador outside the prestigious Hotel de Paris. However, after attempting to rev the engine, he unknowingly left it in first gear, resulting in a minor mishap that provided a learning moment.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Phải đi xịt nữa rồi chỗ lớn nhỉ. Sao là lẩu tiếp đi.
Oh my God!
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता हो जाएगा आगे नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्रैक डाउन लगी नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who
some, Buck. There's an accident. Just when they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my God. Oh my.
Forming church for the big money. Those boys.
Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my God.
I think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah.
Thank God.
Oh my. Holy sh**. Holy. I have the footage of it.
Pull over. You can.
Water out.
Also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. I know it might take a little longer from my location. But
No. Okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route. Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, well, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Oh, Tuesday. Is up.
Yep, and I just recorded it.
Oh, sorry, Tunde.
The color WISP.
Oh my fucking God.
The inner sea was a rocky, desolate, barren island with a single large structure.
It's like track, right? Knowledge is powerful. What's your anything never drove power? Yeah, I don't like the fact that this is it's hard for the libertarians to be.
What their experiences are, but he's insinuating that they didn't do a good job because they were DEI hires. How many?
Manual recording.
Thursday. At about 5 p.m., Garrett's neighbors Sean Hall and Marissa Vogel, who lived in the same building, were watching Dexter when they heard a loud banging from across the hall. Through the walls, they could hear muffled cries of a child saying no and help. It's
That person's got thrown in, huh? Wait, yeah. Oh, shit. How did they do that? Dad. Yes!
I didn't read that. It was very good.
We could turn back time to the good days.
The dump truck came speeding like a bullet, smashing 4 small cars into the back of a truck ahead, leaving many cars wrecked in Chelyabinsk. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the crashes in this video. I could call them heroes. They saved the victim in that accident. Too fast. No one was hurt. The car lost control and crashed straight into a stone pillar.
On February 7th, 2024, at 10:32 a.m. at Versailles, Ohio State Route 47 West Crossing. Everyone is okay. Collision due to not paying attention on February 26th, 2024, in Toronto, Scarborough, Ontario, Canada. Hydroplaning incident due to heavy rain in San Diego on June 2nd, 2024. The driver sustained minor injuries. A minor collision occurred on March 28th, 2024, in China. Everyone was safe. Adhering to traffic laws ensures safety for everyone while driving. Collision on December 19th in the USA. Dashcam footage captures a collision in Cullman, Alabama, USA on June 24th. Everyone was safe after the crash.
Holy fuck! Oh my God. Thank you, God, for protecting me. What the hell is that about?
Collision in Charlotte, NC on March 19th, 2024. The cause was the driver exceeding the speed limit. On February 22nd, 2024 in Greensboro. It was a minor collision, so everyone is healthy. No human casualties after the collision in Las Vegas, Nevada on March 19th, 2024.
Stigmatizes them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive and their stigmatizes them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal society and their drug use, and we make it almost insurmountable for them to come back. Oh.
What the
this morning, and that I haven't heard from you, but yeah, I got home Tuesday morning at 2:30 from Belize. It was amazing. Let me jump to the business stuff first.
Oh my word.
I just emailed, or I just texted Sherry.
Oh.
She is David Chadwick.
But and it is genuinely heartbreaking too. Like to consider the point where you do something